So Nubla just send me an email to check out their latest free AI vocal remover. So let's just say if you are a music artist who want to go ahead and compose and edit their song, or just a guy who want to practice singing or do karaoke practice with different songs. So yeah, PopUp AI could be the best tool for you because it is free to use. You don't even need sign up for that to use. And the process is really fast. With just one click, you can go ahead and extract your vocals or your instrumental music out of your song without any problem. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and explore PopUp AI free vocal remover. Alright guys, so here I am in the homepage of PopUp AI, and right off the bat you guys can see on their homepage they offers you different services like you can generate AI text to speech, you can generate AI cover generator, and the most famous of PopUp AI is AI vocal remover, right? So let's just say if you are some karaoke lover, if you want to go ahead and learn singing or practice singing with any AI tools, so yeah, PopUp AI could be the best option for you guys. So yeah, it offers you a very intuitive design. So right off the bat you guys can see what you can do is you can upload your MP3 file, or you can paste the URL of your YouTube song, whether it's on TikTok, whether it's on X. You can go ahead and do it very, very easily, right? So in the upload section, you can go ahead and upload MP4, MKV, MOV, like any type of file you want. And the maximum duration it offers for the free version is 20 minutes. So yeah, that is literally amazing because obviously you guys know like most of the songs are up to like 3 to 4 minutes. So yeah, that is really, really cool. And the max file size for your MP3 songs is 400 MB, which is quite decent, you guys, right? So yeah, first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and upload any song. So yeah, for that, we're gonna go ahead and take song from Suno AI because obviously we don't want to get into that copyright issue. So yeah, on the homepage of Suno AI, we're gonna go ahead and take any song that is free to use. So I'm gonna take this first one, which is Maggie Gold. All right, that looks really, really good. And from here, I'm going to simply download this song, come back to PopUp AI and simply paste it right over here, right? So yeah, right now it's uploading my song, and just within few minutes, it's going to go ahead and extract the audio from that, like extract the lyrics as well as extract the instrumental music from that as well. So yeah, that is really, really amazing. So yeah, it's generating straight away. It's going to take around only like under a minute. So yeah, let's just go ahead and wait for that. All right, so here we go. Our generation is done. So first of all, it basically provides you the original song that you uploaded. So here it was. Me, a shadow moves where I used to. All right, so from that, it basically extracted the vocal version, like, without the music. So here it is, you guys. Let's just go ahead and hear it out. You wait for me, a shadow moves where I used to be. All right, so that looks really, really good. You guys can see how beautifully it had basically extracted that lyrics, the audio from that, and we don't hear any music in the background, right? So yeah, from here you can easily go ahead and edit this song, edit the music according to your needs. So yeah, the possibilities are basically endless. And from here, it basically provides you another version of just the instrument if you want to go ahead and practice karaoke, right? So let's just go ahead and hear the instrumental version out. All right, so the instrumental version was really, really good as well, right, you guys? And the best part about this AI tool is you can go ahead and extract the best quality possible for your audio versions, right? So whether it is like vocal, whether it is instrumental, you can go ahead and extract the best quality out of that. So yeah, PopUp AI is a very good source for that purpose. And the best of all is like it is absolutely free, you guys, right? So yeah, if you scroll down, here are some of the 4 top applications for vocal separator. So first of all, what you can do is you can practice karaoke and sing practice, and you can create music production and remixing, and then you can go ahead and easily do composition and sampling. So from here, it basically provides us 3 versions, right? So yeah, the original one, obviously that's one, then the vocal one, right? So if you want to go ahead and just simply edit the music in the background, so you can take the vocal and do whatever editing or remixing that you want. And in the instrumental one, obviously, you can go ahead and do this purpose. You can edit, you can practice karaoke, you can sing and practice with your singing ability, right? So yeah, the possibilities are basically endless. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the exploration of a very amazing free AI tool, which is PopPop AI. So yeah, right now it is absolutely free. You don't need any sign up even if you want to go ahead and use that. You don't need any subscription. So yeah, it is totally free. So I will attach the link in the description. Kindly do check it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.